Kirchhoff's law, junction, branch and loop. Once we are studying current electricity, now we are going to core of it, and in that we will go for a complicated circuit. Complicated circuit is a large circuit. Kirchhoff's rules are used to calculate current through different elements in a complicated circuit. A very simple but complex circuit is given here, and with the basis of that, before we go to the Kirchhoff's rule, I want to introduce you the three terms which we are going to use. Our first term is junction. If current is going from here and this point where 3 and this point where there are 3 paths meeting each other, first path, second path and third path, where 3 or more than 3 paths are meeting on a point, that point will be known as junction. So A and B are junction. Now how many junctions are there? There are only 2 junctions, A and B. Now second thing we observe is what is meant by branch. A continuous path from one junction to another junction. A continuous path from one junction to next junction. That path is known as branch. From A to B, this is one branch, this is another branch, and this is another branch. So this circuit has got 3 branches: A, E1B, A, E2B, and A, RB. Normally we will find the branches are one more than the junction. If it has got 2 junctions, then there will be 3 branches. So branch, a continuous path of circuit from one junction to next junction. And what is its speciality? Its speciality is, since one to the next there will be no other junction on the way. So if a current starts from here which has to reach here, it will not change the value on the way. If the current value here is 2 ampere, here it will be 2 ampere, here it will be 2 ampere, here it will be 2 ampere, and here it will be 2 ampere. So in one branch the value of current do not change. The value of current do not change. And last we see what is meant by loop. Loop is combination of branches. It may be one branch, it may be many branches, but it is a continuous path of current in which the current or a point comes back to itself. A continuous path starting and ending at the same point. That is a cycle. Now here, what are those loops? Number 1, A, E1, R1, B, R, A. This is one loop. Second, A, R, B, R1, E to A. This is another loop. So these are two loops, first loop and second loop. Are you seeing any third loop? Yes, there is third loop. Third loop is A, E1 R, B, R2, E2, A. This is third loop. So I introduce you three terms. What is meant by junction, what is meant by branch, and what is meant by loop.